everyone, so thank you so much for clicking this video. Once again, I'm here, and in today's video I'm going to cover one misconception about English language, what people think about this language. I'm going to cover these things because I have seen so many people, they really want to learn this language, they really want to speak in English language, but when they start, when they start, there is only one thing that hold them back, that you are from village area, you cannot learn English language. They always think about it. So I'm going to cover this topic, and actually this is not any topic, it is really misunderstanding. It is really their misunderstanding that I'm going to talk about that. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So, guys, I'm from village area, and there are so many persons who are speaking in English language, and they belong from village area. So, what will you say about that? First of all, let me talk about those people, and after that, I will talk about you. Okay, so there are so many examples in front of us that dear sir, English with Dehati ma'am, and Persona Institute, Spoken English Guru. There are so many channels, and the person who teach English there, they are from Hindi medium. So there are so many examples in front of you, and instead of taking advantage from their channels, you are creating the thought that I'm from village area, so I cannot learn English language. So have you ever watched their videos? Have you ever watched any villagers video in English language? I'm from village area, I live in village area. How am I speaking right now? So compare yourself to my English, or you can compare your English to anyone's who are from village area. So when you think that I'm from village area, remember my English, remember any person's English that you know that they are from village area, how they are speaking, how they are good at English. You can think about it instead of thinking that I'm a villager, I cannot learn this language. Do not create this kind of mindset. It does not matter whether you are from village area or not, it matters how much dedication you have, how do you have burning desire for learning this language or not. It is all about your desire, your dedication, your self-esteem. So do not try to aid these things from your excuse that you are from village area. Okay, it does not matter. English is not only a language of those who are from city area, who live in cities area. They are not thinking about it. Have you ever thought that the person who are from city area, they have ever thought that English only a language of cities person, means it is not language of villagers, villagers cannot speak in English language? If you think about it, so have you ever watched any videos on YouTube? They are living in city area, how they are teaching English? They are not thinking about it. So why do you have this misconception that you cannot learn this language because you live in village area, you are from village? Stop thinking about it, start learning this language. Okay, when you think that you are from village, you cannot, so definitely you cannot. If you think a lot of about it, so definitely you cannot learn this language, because you are believing and thinking, you are not believing in taking action. So start taking action. Whatever you have, whatever knowledge you have, start speaking. Do not think that you cannot. Everybody can do things whatever they think. So start doing. You have already thought about it, so now the time is starting speaking. So start speaking, and I hope that you got something from this video. If you do not believe that I'm from village area, there are so many people, you know about that, but you are not able to accept that reality. You are not trying to accept that reality. You don't want to accept that reality, that villager can speak English language. If villager can, so I will have to learn this language, I will have to start speaking in English language. Okay, you are just making excuse because you don't want to speak in English language. So if you don't want, so please do not make this kind of excuse. If you do not want to leave these things, you cannot learn this language. But if you want to start speaking English language. So without thinking about another things, start speaking, start learning this language. Okay, there must not be any kind of useless things in your mind. Okay, so I hope that you got something from this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a nice day.